In this video, I will show you how you can write the text vertically, sideways, or at any specific angle in Google Sheet. So by default, the text is written horizontally. For example, I have written here X, Y, Z, and you can see that it is written horizontally. But if you want to rotate the text, you have to go to the format and then click on rotation. And over here, you can see that there are various options that are available. So if you want to write vertically, just click on stack vertically. You can see that the text is now written vertically. And you can see that there are several other options as well. For example, tilt up, tilt down, like that. You can tilt it up or tilt it down. You can rotate up or rotate down, so like that. And also there is custom angle as well. So you can select the custom angle like this. So that's it. So there are several possibilities that are available as far as the rotation of the text is concerned in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching.